New Touchscreen PMS Control Panel. In 2024, we introduced a new touchscreen control panel to our conversions. When not in use, the display will show a blank black screen. You can wake the display by touching the screen, and our BILBO'S logo will appear. Underneath the logo, you will find an on-off symbol. Touch this symbol to turn the power management system display on. The home screen will appear, showing the 4 main menu features as icons. Here you can access relevant settings and readings for the lighting, power, water, and environment. You can find additional touchable icons around the screen. On the top left is the Warnings button. The Help button is on the top right. The clock face is on the bottom left. On the bottom centre is the on-off switch. And the bottom right is the Settings button. Lighting. Press the Lighting button to enter the lighting settings area. Press the main lighting button to turn on and off the main interior LED lights. You can then individually adjust them at source. Press the Light Aux button to turn on and off the under-counter lighting. By pressing the Home button on the bottom left, you can return to the home screen. If we return to the light settings area and press the bottom right arrow, we will scroll along to the next function settings. You will find the Return Home and Scroll to Next Setting features on each main page. Power. By tapping the power icon, you can enter the power control area. Here you can see readings for your leisure battery and your vehicle battery, and check how well they are charged. Levels for both batteries will display as good, fair, or poor. In the centre you will find the current voltage and the load and inputs affecting the battery. By selecting the caravan or the car symbol, we can select which battery we would like to be active. This selection is important during the charging process. Please check your handbook for full details. You can return to the home screen by pressing the Home icon. Water settings. By pressing the water icon on your home screen, you can view your water tank levels and access your pump controls. On the left, F refers to your fresh water tank, and W refers to your wastewater tank. Your fresh water tank will show increments of 0, 25, 50, 75 and 100%. Your wastewater tank will show increments of 0 and 100. The wastewater tank has one sensor at the top of the tank. It will only read 100% when the tank is completely full and needs to be emptied from the outlet underneath the vehicle. Most of the time you'll find the reading states 0. It's best to empty your wastewater tank as often as you have the chance. Underneath your fresh water readings, you'll find the water pump button. Tap to turn the water pump on and notice the outline in yellow. You must turn on the pump to use the sink tap. Tap again to turn the pump off when you've finished. You can now press the Home button on the bottom left to return to the home screen. Environment. The final main menu icon on the home screen shows a thermometer. Tap this icon to enter the environment screen. Here you can find readings for the internal temperature, the external temperature, and for the humidity. To return to the main menu, press the Home icon on the bottom left. Settings menu. Tap the cog icon on the bottom right to enter the settings screen. Here you can control various settings. On the left you can change the key beep, LED brightness, backlight time, water alarms and lighting mode. Below this it will show if a phone is connected via Bluetooth to the system. On the right hand side you'll see the PSU control panel version. Tap the tick icon in the bottom right hand corner to save any changes you've made. You will then return to the main home screen. Clock. Tap the bottom left corner icon to enter the clock settings. Here you can view the time and date and a summary of your leisure battery, your freshwater tank, external power point connection and incoming electrical charge. Tap the bottom right icon to set the time and date. Use the arrows to make adjustments. To save any changes you've made to the date and time, tap the tick in the bottom right hand corner. Then press the home button to return to the home screen. Turning off the display panel. From the main home screen, find the on-off button at the bottom center of the display. Tap this icon to switch off the display. First, you'll see the BILBO'S logo appear. You can now leave the display. After a few minutes, the screen will go blank.